Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some happy mail and some orders that I've been waiting on from Amazon. So that's what I've got for you today, and let's get into it. So the first one is coming from Patty. Patty, who is Mommy and Me Crafts here on YouTube and Instagram. She shared these gorgeous little shovels that everybody's using for like sequin mixes and stuff. And I jokingly responded, "Oh my gosh, I would love one of those," right? This is what she did. let's get into it. I kind of cut it open so that you guys won't have to watch me. Oh, oh my God, Patty! I was hoping to pull one out. Look at this! Oh my God! What? This little beautiful bouquet of shovels. Oh my God. Patty, you're so funny. Oh my gosh. And she bundled it up in a beautiful little Scrap Diva. What is this one called? Oh my gosh, this is in my cart, FYI. It's in my cart. So today is Saturday. And if you don't know, Erica is having a sale right now. So 20% off your purchase of 50 or more or something like that. Go over there and check it out. What a gorgeous presentation. Oh, this is so gorgeous. And I love this. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful, Patty. And I guess this is also Erica's dies. Oh my gosh. So cute. How do you get in here? Oh, it's a tie. She used twine. Look. Oh my gosh. And look at this. Look at how many. Patty, this is not one. Patty, I know you work with elementary students. This is not one. They'll tell you this is like more than one. I'm just playing, girl. Oh my gosh. You are so, oh my goodness. Oh, Patty, girl, this is beautiful. So, so generous. Thank you so much. Oh, this is the one that she left to open. Girl, I watch your videos every morning. It's how I start my day. I get my crafty mojo watching you, okay? You are my morning program. Oh my gosh, Patty. This is so pretty. What a great, great presentation. And these shovels. I was only supposed to get one, you guys. This is so beautiful. Thank you, honey. Thank you so much. This is so beautiful. And she also included some goodies just to stick it in there. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, look at this. And this is the topper. I think this is KS Crafts topper. Don't quote me, guys. I think I just bought this, but this is adorable. Look at, I'm still waiting for the restock. I think it's restocked for this flower because of Patty's use of these gold leaves right here. This is a die from Scrap Diva. Just beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love that. I need some of that. I need to get that flower die. But the cookie die, I think I just picked up. And then she shared this beautiful topper. I think, yeah, this is Scrap Diva's new die set. It's the nesting heart doily die set or heart circles die set. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh, Patty, gorgeous work. Lord have mercy. Look at this one. It says hug me. The conversation hearts. I wonder what collection. I got to go rewatch the video because she shares what collection and what dyes that she's used. So if you guys aren't following Patty, Mommy and Me Crafts, it's hard to believe that you don't follow her because she is amazing. Look at all this. And she stitched it. Oh my gosh. She stitched the 14, the hearts. Look at this XOXO. How cute. Look at the ephemera piece back here. She's got some enamel dots. I love, love, love the heart layers. Oh my gosh. She's got a little button detail down here. Oh my gosh, love this. I love it. Thank you, Patty. Oh my gosh, I was just playing with her and she really sent it to me. Oh, Patty, thank you so much. I love it. Okay, so this is from Miss Patty. And then I got another package. This is coming from Ebs. This is Ebony, the crafty girl, here on YouTube and Instagram. And she also has a shop on Instagram, and it is the Rosette Guru, the_Rosette_Guru, Guru. So we recently just started doing Sunday lives. And oh my gosh, this is the black and white trim that I wanted so badly. She sent this to me. She made them up. That's another thing. If you go to Ebony's shop, Instagram shop, and you message her, like, oh, do you have something that matches this such and such collection? She may or may not have it, but she might also even tell you, like, yeah, I can make that. You know, you just have to communicate. You have to communicate with her what you really want. And you got to be serious, because nobody wants to have their time wasted. You know what I mean? Like, be serious with your online purchases with these small shops, because it's a one-man show all the time. One-man show. And if you're asking for specialty items, they're putting in their hard work and hours to satisfy your order. And it's just, you know, you're never going to be disappointed. You guys, these hearts they feel like velvet. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. They feel like velvet. Anyway, so yeah, and look at how much she said. This is gorgeous. Of course, I'm going to use it, but I'm going to hoard it for a minute. I'm learning to use my stash this year. But this is beautiful. I will use it, just not right away. And look at this. Oh, that is so cute, Ebs. Wow. I think it's a sticker. Oh yeah. Whoops. So anyway, we're saying, like, you know, a group of us ladies started doing a Sunday live. And today's Saturday, so tomorrow, Ebony, myself, and Cassie, and a special guest, we are going to go live on my channel at 3 p.m., okay? So come on over and join us, 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. It's 1 p.m. Pacific and 4 p.m. Eastern. So covered all the time zones. So the ladies that I'm going live with, super uber talented. So here's one, Ebony. And then here's another, is Cassie. Oh no, this one's reversed. It's a mirror, but look, so you have that, but look at this one. This is what it's supposed to look like. So Cassie designed our flyer with all of us on it, and she also designed this thank you card, but Ebony, she had the idea, Cassie made it, and then Ebony printed them out and shared with our group so that we could send to our supporters, these little thank yous. You know, if you're the lucky supporter, look at this. So you get some hearts. Well, she shared some hearts and some regulars. And I thought that is adorable. Adorable. These ladies are uber talented. Oh, yes. I am so lucky to be surrounded with some amazingly talented ladies. So the other part, that was it from Ebs. And of course, she sent it in a purple envelope. Anyway, the other part was my Amazon order. And this finally came in. This is the Valentine's Day shaker plates from KS Crafts. And I got to take it out because I got to see it. Look, the mini envelopes. I'm so excited to play with this. And the little love lock, heart-shaped locks. And then you get Cupid. Beautiful. And then you get the hearts. Oh my gosh. so much fun with that. Oh, goodness. And then the next thing, so I was making these purchases for Easter and Valentine's Day because they're so close together. I don't know what shop this is, but this is the bunny with the heart eyes, and he has been sitting in my virtual basket forever. Look at him with his cute little glasses. You got the little paws, and then you've got some mini carrots. I think that's grass, I don't know. And then you got the layers for the ears, and then the glasses. They go right there. How cute. Oh, these are carrot, the green part of the carrot, right? I think. But yeah, there's that. And again, I will put the links down below for Patty, Ebony, and also my dies. So yeah, and sometimes I load the video so that it will load faster without the links, and then I'll come back and I'll add the links to the description box. So here is the larger set of the die, the marshmallow. Where did it go? Here we go. So this one is the small set, and the large set also comes with another piece there. So this is much bigger than the other set that I had received earlier. So you see the size difference. Let's see. And I think even this marshmallow is larger than this one. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 5 sizes of marshmallows. 6. So there you go. Good size collection. I think they are tags. Yeah, I think they are tags. But, you know, we could play with those any way we want. So here we go. So we've got the marshmallows in finally. And then the last one I have is the cookie bag topper, the Valentine one that Patty had shared with me. So this one, this is what it looks like. This is the KS Crafts Valentine's heart cookie bag topper. Oh, that's a mouthful. So let me get those off because those always hurt. So you got this one right here. Oh wait, where is it? Right here. And then it has the LOVE. And you just put the swirl on top of the cookie. So you layer these pieces here over this. And it looks like that. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh, she did an amazing job putting it together. And then this piece is the hanger part right here. It does not come attached to the bag topper. You got to put it in place where you want it. And oh my gosh, I'm excited to play. I'm excited to play. So that is all of finally my Amazon haul. And I can't wait to get into those and play. So thank you all for watching. And if you're new, please hit the subscribe button. And while you're at it, if you hit the notification bell, you'll know the next time I load up a new video. And if you enjoyed my content, hit the thumbs up. It kind of helps YouTube know that you do enjoy my content and that it gets out there more easily to other viewers who are looking for similar videos. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.